This is the homework help video for Thursday, January 26th for my on-level class. It's periods 2, 3, and 4. The homework is 5-7 practice A. I'm going to work on problem number 6. It asks us to identify the corresponding sides, then use ratios to determine whether the triangles are similar. As we discussed in class, you're comparing two triangles. They're not always going to be oriented the same way, so it's not always easy to find the corresponding sides, but the smallest side of the small triangle must correspond to the smallest side of the larger triangle. So we have side GH corresponding to side RS, and the lengths of those sides are 3 feet to 9 feet. If they're truly similar, then the next size up, the medium size side of the smaller triangle, should it correspond to the medium sized side of the larger triangle. So we have side GJ corresponding to side RT, and the lengths of those sides are 5 to 15. Finally, the longest side of the small triangle, side HJ, corresponds to the longest side of the larger triangle, side ST, so 6 feet to 18 feet. We take those ratios up here and simplify them. Simplify by dividing by the common factor. In this case, 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. For the next ratio, 5 divided by 5 is 1. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 6 over 18 we simplify by dividing by a common factor of 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 18 divided by 6 is 3. So 1/3 is equal to 1/3 is equal to 1/3. So we have a scale factor of 3 for this triangle, and the triangles are similar because the ratios of the corresponding sides are similar. So we can say yes, the triangles are similar. The similarity statement would look like this: triangle GHJ is similar to triangle RST. And one other thing we talked about is that the corresponding sides, GH corresponds to RS, and in the similarity statement, GH is the first two letters, RS are the first two letters. The last two letters, HJ and ST, correspond to each other, and then the first and last letters, GJ, correspond to the first and last letters, RT. And the similarity statement also tells you which angles correspond to each other. Angle G is congruent to angle R, angle H is congruent to angle S, and angle J is congruent to angle T. Okay, there's a golden ticket in this homework help video. The question is, what 3 coins are the same as 1/5 of $3.10? So the first person to get the correct answer will win the golden ticket. The first person to bring me the correct answer wins the golden ticket. Anybody else who brings me a correct answer after that will win 10 tickets for the next weekly drawing. And anybody else who makes an attempt but doesn't get the correct answer will win 5 tickets for the next weekly drawing. Okay, I hope that helps with the homework, and I'll see you in the morning.